Race is over. Now what happens?
Cleaning my bike up and getting all ready for the next race. So, yeah.
Yeah, so this is the hard work after you get to play, huh? You're doing a great job cleaning your bike.
How do you turn it off?
Nope, clean it. Get all of it. Turn around the other side. Come around this way. After we're done, what are we going to do, buddy?
We're going to go inside, take a shower.
No, what are we going to do before we take a shower?
Hop in the pool.
That's right, and cool down after a hard race, huh? All right, so what'd you learn today? Did you learn a lot from your first race?
Yes. When you're after starting getting rid of the rut, you want to give it all your gas.
That's right.
And if you don't, and I saw one of the pros today do a wheelie and they fell. The bike landed on top of them.
All right,
Yeah.
buddy.
But there were some girls out there riding. I was surprised.
And they were riding hard too, weren't they?
Yes.
All right, tell your people bye.
Bye. What up, Pete?